Okay, I try to keep the camera dark so you can see the LEDs. I hope you can see these light up. Alright, so we have power going to the board. We're putting some values onto the bus when I push the button down here. What I have wired up here is the comparator board. And we can put it onto the bus. Let me try to get it onto the bus. Alright, that's on the bus. And I have 3 LEDs here. I have them wired up, which are, let's see if I can read this. Yeah, it's less than, equal to, and greater than. So the equal LED is lit because these are both 0. If I put values on the bus, then both of these show the same value. So again, it's equal. If I lift up on one end so that it's not making contact to the bus, then I have this but not that, so it says greater than, so this is greater than that. And if I do just the opposite, where I have this but not that, it says less than. So this card's working great. Hope that's clear. Alright. When I was fiddling around with the board here, I accidentally put power on backwards, and I may have destroyed a register. So I'm going to have to go test these in the lab, make sure it didn't fry these. I think one of them, at least one of them, is dead. But this survived, which was good. Alright, so once we get these up and running, I'll come back and we can try to put different values in the 2 registers instead of lifting it up and down. We'll be able to put one value here and one value here and see the LEDs change. Well, everything seemed to survive. That's good. So I have both registers and I have the comparator on top, so I can insert things onto the bus and then I can write them into a register. So right now we have the equal sign because they're both 0, but if I write a value into one of the registers, now we have a value here, and this one's greater than this one, so it's giving us the greater than. And now let me load it over here. Now we have them equal again, and then let's put a slightly smaller number over here. This one. There we go. Now it shows less than. So this is less than this. So input works, the bus monitor works, the 2 registers work, the comparator card works. Great. I think next thing to do is move on to the ALU unit, and we'll be able to do math. Well, we do have a problem, and that is that my long connector is not long enough. It will not go into this connector down here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a female connector and put that on the bottom of the board, and then now there's a short distance between the two. We'll be able to use this male connector. Anyway, I'll put it together. I'll show you how it works. All right. So I have a female connector. So I have 2 female connectors on the top. Can you see that? 2 females on the top, and I have 1 female on the bottom. And then I'm going to use one of these double height male things, and I'm going to put that in the there. Now, when I try to put it all together, it should I've got 3 connectors I'm trying to mate at the same time, so it's not trivial. There we go. Perfect. There. So Now we have everything connected up. It's getting more complicated now. We're going to have to supply some signals here. We have our S0, S1, and S2, and then we have a carry in that we'll have to either tie high or low, and then the output enable if we want to assert the bus. Let's see how we can wire this up. Getting too many wires here.